How to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling printable budget planners on Etsy. So let's get started by showing you some examples of the product that you will be selling. Then I'm going to introduce you to a spy tool that is going to help us figure out if this is a winning product or not, and also this spy tool is going to help us in the future when it comes to finding winning products, and also when it comes to spying on shops or on competitors to see what are the products that they are working on and the products that are making them money in order to start to get in the competition with them as well. And also I'm going to show you how you can create your own digital products like the ones we are going to see without starting from scratch, and it will only take 2 hours or 1 hour of your time to create products like that. So here let's type the name of the product, which is printable budget planners, then click on search and give it a few seconds to load. And here we will look only for the ones that are popular. We will not go to the ones that are sponsored, like the ones in here, or not these ones. We're going to see the ones that are sponsored. You'll have it written in here. You will find add by the name of the Etsy shop. So I'm looking for an example to show it to you, but there is no example here, so no sponsored ones. So let's just go to the top and let's choose one in the top here, which is a popular product, like this one here, for example. So let's choose this one here, paycheck budget planner, editable budget. So let's click on this one here, give it a few seconds to load. And here you can see that it costs $3 originally, but it's now on sale and the sale ends in 5 hours. Even though I believe this is only the price, the sale is just a marketing idea. And here if you scroll down, you will see that it's a digital download. And the thing I like most about digital products is that you will not have to encounter, or you will not have to get through the problems that the physical or the people that are selling physical products are having in their daily business life. So with physical products, you'll have to deal with returns, with refunds, and also with shipping, the delivery time, also stocking the product, always checking out if the product runs out of stock, and all of these usual problems. But here in digital products, the only thing you will need is to create your product, list it on Etsy, then you will not even have to worry about it again. People will come here, buy the product, pay the price, and then will get their product immediately, and they will not ask for a refund or a return, because in the policy of selling digital products there are no refunds and no returns. If they have any question or any problem regarding the product, they can contact you and you can offer something that we call the afterpay service. That's just to have a great reputation in the market only. So here I'm going to show you the terms of use, just to make you believe that there are no refunds. And so here, as you can see, every digital and instant download purchase is non-refundable, as there is no way for us to tell whether you have used the download. If you have any questions or concerns about your order, please feel free to reach out to us anytime. So that is what I have talked about. And guys, now let's move on to the spy tool that I have talked about, which will make us decide if this product really deserves to spend our time on or not. So let's give it a few seconds to load, and here click on sign up for free and wait for it to load again. Here it will complete loading right away. Here let's go to the shop analyzer. That's the tool we are going to use in order to spy on this shop here. And let's take the shop's name. We are going to need it when it comes to spying on this shop. Here let's copy the name and let's go to every, go to the shop analyzer, give it a few seconds to load, and here we will type the name in this search bar, then we will click on search. So here let's drop the name, click on search, and give it a few seconds to gather the data and the insights of this shop. Then we will be able to decide if we are going to proceed to create a product like this one, or we are going to find out another product that will make more money than this one. But if you want my advice, always make sure to make as many products as you can and list them in your shop, because the digital products, as I said, they never run out of stock, and also they are always making you a passive income. If someone buys it, you will get the money, and if no one buys it, there is no harm to you otherwise. So here let's look for this, which is named Paycheck Budget Planner. So let's look for it in here, but first let's see when did this shop start. So here the shop's age is 51 months ago, and they have made more than 300,000 sales over 51 months. So that's a lot of sales to be making, but considering the amount of products that they have, it could be possible. As you can see, they have more than 4,000 products listed. So here let's look for the product we are looking for, which is Paycheck Budget Planner. So let's see if we are going to find it here. Let's give it a few seconds. Weight loss, meal prep, ADHD, Airbnb welcome book, Paycheck Budget Planner, and this is it. Here it was listed 19 months ago. So let's see if they are really making money with it or not. So here listed 19 months ago, and based on the reviews we will be able to guess the amount of sales they made with this product, because half of the people that buy the product leave a review. So we will just do the math. The reviews times 2 will give us the amount of sales. So here they have made more than 600 sales over 19 months with this product, and here these are the reviews per month. So that means they are making 38 sales per month with this one product. So it's really worth our time. 38 sale per month is a good amount of money to be making with only a digital product. So let's go to canva.com to show you how you can create a product like that. Here let's type Canva and then give it a few seconds to load. And here we will just go to the search and type the name of the product. It will give us a lot of templates that we can just add our touch to or make some changes. Nothing, no big deal guys, just some changes. Change the color, see what's trending right now on Etsy, see the design that it's trending, then make sure to make your design look a bit like it, then list it on your Etsy shop. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.